Welcome to another video. This is gonna be a tutorial video because I had trouble starting this plane. I looked up tutorial videos and there's not that many, so I'm just gonna make another one so it's easier for other people to find stuff. This is a tutorial on how to start up the Row 320, or real life, it's Airbus A320. Uh, yeah. So it looks pretty confusing. All these buttons, uh, you know, all of them have a purpose. Very confusing. Really, what you all want to do is go to the overhead display, go to the, like this part of it. You're gonna see exit power. It's gonna be up above these like switches right here, green lines. Just look for avail. You want to click that. Everything should then turn on. Now what you want to do is see these two batteries. It's like to the top left a little bit. You want to turn both these on. There you go. And then all of these right here, you want to turn on the fuel pump. So the left, middle, don't click this, hit these two. And then you want to hit the right pumps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Should be 6 in total. Then what you want to do to get it out of the way is go up here to these navigation things and click each of them 2 times to set it to navigation. There you go. Now what you want to do is look down. It should be this point of the overhead display. You should see APU master switch. You want to click that, wait a few seconds, and then click the bottom. Those should both say on now. Then you want to look down and you see this APU like display. You want to look at that. This number is going to rise. Uh, I don't think it matters too much, but this right here where it says N%, you want to wait till it gets to 100%. It will take some time. You just watch your phone until then. Actually, what I'm going to do for then, you see flaps, you want to move this down 1 or 2. I like to put it to 2, but 1, it's basically the same. Now, once it says available under the APU thing, you want to go back up to the overhead display and look for APU bleed. It should just be right above where the master switch was. You want to toggle that. Now it should say on. Then you want to go to the middle display where we, did the flaps. You want to go down to right below this. You should see um, ignition, start, mode norm, crank. You want to turn that twice. So now it should be on ignition start. You want to turn on either one of these first. You should hear a noise. That's the noise. You want to wait for this to be fully like on, and then you can hit the other one. And now that engine 2 is on, you can turn on engine 1. And now that both engines are on, you can switch this back to normal, which is one switch. And that right there is the basic startup of, everything. I forgot to mention, before you do all that, you should request ground power. It doesn't matter too much, but it is like, you should see this guy over here just come over here and do something. And then after that's done, I'm pretty sure you can turn this off and then turn that off too. There you go. So that right there concludes the tutorial on how to start up the Row 320 plane in Roblox. As of right now, I don't know how to take off. I'm still learning how to do that, but once I learn how to do that, then I'll make a tutorial on that. But yeah, peace.